Want to add a line to your Total Wireless account? It's straightforward for families and groups seeking affordable connectivity. Multi-line plans allow multiple phone numbers under one account, sharing data, minutes, and texts. Benefits include tiered data allowances from 5 gigabytes to unlimited, plus autopay discounts up to 15%. To add a line, log into the Total Wireless app or website. Navigate to Manage Account and select Add a Line. Choose a plan for the new line, provide necessary details, select a phone number or port an existing one, and pay the $10 activation fee. Finally, activate the SIM card. The process usually takes 5 to 10 minutes online, or 1-2 days if you need SIM card delivery. Total wireless base multi-line plans generally range from $35 to $70 per month per line, including taxes and fees. Adding extra lines typically costs between $10 and $20 per month, with no long-term contract commitments. If you're bringing your number from another carrier, ensure it's released by obtaining the necessary PIN from them. During the line addition process, select the port number option and enter the required information. Verification usually takes between 1 to 24 hours, and the service transfer is generally seamless. Keep in mind that porting is usually free if done within 60 days of activation. Otherwise, a $10 fee may apply. Don't miss out on potential savings through accessory bundles.